Welcome friends. In this video we are going to learn how to create the date picker option in Microsoft Excel, as we do not want to manually keep on typing the dates. So first we have to write a VBA code. So I have this code written. So we are going to specify the range where we want the date picker option, and then we are going to select this code, copy it, and right click on the tab and click on view code, and we're going to paste this code. Then we are going to add in the calendar from the Office store. So for that we go to Developer, Add-ins, Office store, and we look up for calendar, search, and then add that calendar. Next we are going to link this calendar with the name which is specified in the VBA code, which is the name calendar. So for that we are going to go to Home, and under Find and Select Selection pane, we're going to rename this to Calendar. And now you can see that the date is showing in the specified column. And you can now choose the date. I don't have to manually type in the dates anymore. I hope this video is helpful. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channels for more such tutorials. Thank you.